y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are taking the fridge from this to this. So yes, we are doing a clean and organize with me and the cabinets from this to this. Yes, organization. So yes, if you are interested in seeing how I cleaned and organized the fridge and cabinets, please stay tuned and we're gonna get right into this video. Alright, so this is what the fridge currently looks like. It's honestly not a lot in here, but it's just chaotic and I just do not like it when I open it. Even on the sides, not a lot of items, but it just looks a hot mess. The fridge honestly is not as bad, but we're gonna get that together too. So yeah, that's gonna be a mission for us. This is the cabinet that I use for food, and honestly it's not that bad, but I just want it to be a little more organized and not so many boxes, so I'm going to try to get rid of some of these boxes. Marshalls, and I found these acrylic bins, and so I think that'll really help with the organization in the fridge. I really like that they're clear and that you can see through them so you can see what they are, and they're relatively inexpensive. That was only $2.99. The larger bins here, same. They're pretty deep, so you can fit different type of things in them. This one was only $3.99. I got this one for water bottles because I drink a lot of bottled water, so I think that would be good. And that one was only $4.99. And then for the cabinet space, I found the cutest little storage bins. These are by Rae Dunn, and I didn't even know Rae Dunn made aluminum canisters. If you don't know about Rae Dunn makes really unique mugs and canisters for like your kitchen, and it has like this cute little writing on it. The ceramic ones are the ones that are really popular. When I was working at TJ Maxx, all the women were always looking for these, but I found these at Marshall's, the aluminum ones, and I thought they were so cute. I absolutely love this one. It's a sweets jar, and it like opens up and you can just reach in and get a sweet out. I just thought that was the cutest thing. And then just a pasta one, just to get rid of that pasta box. And then the biscuits one, I'm gonna put my breakfast cookies in here, and so I just thought that was so cute when I saw it. So I was hoping they had this one because I got those two yesterday, so I was hoping when I went back today they still had it, and they did. So I'm just gonna start by cleaning out the fridge, throwing things away that I haven't eaten or are just old. I have like tortillas in here that are like expired by like 2 days, 4 days or something like that. So just stuff that's, it's time for it to go because it's just been sitting. And then we're gonna give it a good clean down with some soap and water, and then we're gonna get to organizing. Okay, so I've gotten the stuff out that has to be trashed. So I'm gonna throw this stuff away real quick. Then we're gonna take the rest of the stuff out once I make room on the counter because there's no counter space. So yeah, get all this thrown away in the sink, the dishes and stuff. Then take the rest of the stuff out, wipe it down, and then we'll get to organizing. Fruit. More fruit. Watermelon. Tuna. Bye-bye. That should have went in the garbage disposal thing. What is this? Corn. I just made that the other day, so that should be good still. Ew. Waffle mix. I'm not even gonna show you what this looks like. Oh my lord. Onion. Green beans. Squash and zucchini. Oh my god. Something leaked in this one, so that is just not okay. Yuck. Okay, so I'm gonna wash these dishes, clean off the countertops or straighten them up so I can take the rest of the stuff out, and then we'll get to the fridge. All right, I'm done cleaning regular dishes. I'm about to take the rest of this food out and take out this other storage bin or whatever those are called and clean those out, wipe down the shelves in here and those little things, and yeah. When you have all this cheese and you don't even eat cheese. Weird, huh? Soda. Isn't this the cutest? I got this from Walmart, and at first I hated it because I could not figure out like why it was not working, but it was because the pressure was too high in here, so I had to just start like twisting the cap and then it would flow regularly, but I could not get it to flow right forever. But now it works fine. Once again, when you don't eat cheese, but you have cheese lying around. All right, so I have the refrigerator completely empty, as you can see. Completely empty. And now we finally can wash it down. It. The fridge is nice and clean. It just looks 10 times better. I love it. And now we can get to organizing. Right, so this is the fridge thus far. I still have to get some items from the store. Some of like the fresh produce that I haven't picked up because I do that at Publix versus Wally World. Most of this is from Walmart. But I really like how it's looking so far. It looks so much better. So much better. So basically I have like condiments and everything over here. So dressing, ketchup, barbecue sauce, jars here, jelly and salsa. I put the tortillas in here. I wish both of those could fit in here, but I put tortillas and sour cream, the butter in there, the drinks down there, the water and the soda down there. And it's okay because you can just reach back and grab the soda. I have fresh produce in that bin. I have leftovers in this bin, and I don't know how that's gonna work out, but we'll see. Down here I have lettuce, and more fresh produce will go down there. On this side I have meats, so some lunch meat, some smoked sausage, and bacon and sausage underneath there. Here we have the ton of cheese that I don't even eat. simply just have it when other people come over. I have some leftovers from Jim and Nick's, and then breakfast stuff, so milk, eggs, fruit, and applesauce. So I really like the way the fridge came out. It really looks amazing. It looks 10 times better than what it did in the beginning, so I'm very happy with how all of this came out. Yay! Alright, now we're gonna do the cabinets real quick. I'm just gonna pull everything out and kind of reorganize it. And actually, one of those containers that I bought for the fridge, I'm actually gonna put it in the cabinet if it fits, for chips. So we'll see how that turns out. So I think this would be a great idea. I would ideally like to put it in this way, like that, but it is too long that way. So possibly if I turn it to the side, it'll fit in there. We're gonna see. I'm just gonna take all of this out. Okay, so I did have to break the pasta up, but that was okay because I cook it like that anyways. So that's perfect. So I'm just gonna cut that tag off, but pasta's done. Now I love this one because, like I said, it has that cute little opening, and I have a major sweet tooth, so I'm gonna drop some snacks in here. I have lots, so I'm just gonna drop a different cube in there like that. So I put a whole bunch of different snacks in here, and when I want one, I can just bow. Hello. Super cute. So that one's done. And then this one is going to be for my breakfast cookies. I love these. What are your favorite, like, on-the-go breakfast items that you all eat? I personally like these, the cinnamon brown sugar. So I'm gonna put this one in the biscuits. All right, all of those are in there too. So cute, biscuits. Wow, yay! And then we're just gonna put my extra snacks underneath the counter. I mean, underneath the cabinet. Well, underneath the counter, yeah. So in the bottom cabinets. All right, so this is what we did with the cabinet, or this is what I did with the cabinet. I actually kind of like it, kind of don't, but hey, I tried. So I really just tried to group everything by what it was, and just make it functional where I could reach everything. I took one of the bins out of the refrigerator and put like packets, so that's basically like all oatmeal, taco mix, rice, Alfredo. All my seasons are over there, and I think I'm gonna try to find like a little Lazy Susan that can fit like right in there, and see if I can condense that a little bit more, and that way it's just more functional for me. And then once again, like I said, I put all my little treats in here, my sweets in there, and then I love peanut butter, so peanut butter and crackers over here. And I like the way it came out. Like, it may not be the best, but I like it, and I feel like this is functional for me. I ended up putting the chips, I did keep the chips in here, but I put them up there, so I think that's super cute, and I love the way that came out. And then I put the other 2 bags of chips next to it, and then just my little loaf of bread, and then, you know, cereal and stuff like that. Anything that was extra, I put down here, so we have all the extra snacks, the extra oatmeal, the extra water, and just like miscellaneous stuff, like candy and stuff like that that I don't really use. So I think it really came out perfect, very functional. I like the way it all turned out and easy to read, and I absolutely love the fridge. And by taking that other shelf out, I now have room just to put random stuff if I want to. And I also added some water to the bottom right there. So I just love the way it came out. I just think everything is really nice and neat and easy to reach and a lot more simple. The freezer I didn't have to do much with just because it's not a lot in here, so it honestly is really nice and neat, and I just group everything by what it is. Frozen foods over here, meats and everything on the bottom shelf, and then, like I said, just random stuff: ice cream, waffles, meatballs, bread. So that's why I didn't even show this, because it just wasn't really much to show, because like I said, it just is neat when I put food in there. So I really like the way it came out overall. So that's it for this clean and organized with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of the organization below. Let me know your ideas for condensing and making space in your fridge, in your pantry or cabinets. I want to hear what you do or how you make it work in your kitchen. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!
Yeah. your dream.